Welcome back, viewers. If you've been following Apple closely, you might already be familiar with Masimo. For those who aren't, let me provide a brief overview before delving into the prototypes of Masimo's latest Freedom Smartwatch and Freedom Band. So Masimo, not exactly a household name, threw itself into the spotlight by taking Apple to court over the blood oxygen monitoring tech used in their latest watches. Long story short, Masimo won the legal battle, resulting in a ban on certain Apple Watch models in the US. Now, Apple continues selling these models, minus the blood oxygen feature. So, the big question is, will this legal battle elevate Masimo's status? Well, it all boils down to whether you see the worth in a dedicated blood oxygen tracker. Unless you've got documented sleep apnea, dropping $1,000 on a blood oxygen tracker might not be on your radar. Yep, the Freedom Smartwatch is looking at a price tag of $999, firmly placing it in the premium section of the wearable market. You can snag a reservation on the company's website with a $100 deposit. Now, about the Freedom Smartwatch. Masimo, not known for their smartwatches, aims to make a mark with this stylish wearable. Sporting a round design, a navigation touch bar, and a selection button, it's clear they're trying to set themselves apart from the Apple Watch. But what's under the hood? This watch is all about health monitoring accuracy, offering a suite of features like hydration index, oxygen saturation, we'll delve into this later, respiration rate, heart rate variability, pulse rate, privacy mode, recovery, and sleep indexes. And let's not forget that it tracks your steps, monitors workouts, detects falls, and assesses sleep quality. Impressive, right? Now, the standout feature is its blood oxygen monitoring, aka SpO2. Masimo claims unparalleled accuracy with their SpO2 sensor handling challenges like motion, low perfusion, bad blood flow, and varying skin pigmentation. For a long time, other smartwatch brands relied on less accurate SpO2 sensors. If Masimo can deliver medically accurate results, it might just push other smartwatch brands to up their game. Quick disclaimer: final specs might differ from the prototype, and FDA approval for health features is pending. Now, let's talk about Masimo's Freedom Band. It skips the display and shoots all the data straight to your phone app. Ideal for those who value precise health data over traditional smart features. Plus, it's rocking the same patented sensor tech as the Freedom Smartwatch, so you're getting a bunch of similar features. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, peace out.